Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. This is Jyotsna and welcome to The Original Taste. In today's episode, I share with you how to make mayonnaise at home without blender or food processor, which is used in burgers, sandwiches, salads and shawarma and many more things. It requires just 4 ingredients, so let's move on to the recipe. Taking egg yolk and a spoon of mustard paste, adding in some salt and some pepper, also adding some lemon. I'll be using a total of 1 tablespoon of lemon, but I'm not adding everything at the same time. And you want to mix this together until it is well incorporated. Once everything comes together, we are going to go ahead and begin emulsifying this together with the oil. The amount of oil we use is around 150 milliliters per egg yolk. So what we will do is to add it in little by little while whisking, and you will see the egg yolk beginning to become lighter in color but thicker in consistency. Well, making mayonnaise is a chemical reaction. We combine 2 ingredients that do not mix in normal conditions. This process is called emulsion. We emulsifying 2 ingredients. The main ingredient other than egg yolk is oil. We have added an emulsifier in this recipe, an acidic thing, that is lemon juice. We can use vinegar instead, both are acidic. If you are using lemon or vinegar in any recipe, then your vessel should not be silver or copper because acidic substances react with silver and copper and it gives a metallic taste to the recipe. I am adding some more of the lemon just to lighten it up. And then I'm adding in more of the oil. Mix it well, otherwise the oil will be separated. Oil is broken into super small droplets that are suspended in watery egg yolks. Use a neutral refined oil for mayonnaise, such as sunflower oil, rice bran oil, which has mild flavor. Do not use unrefined extra virgin olive oil, which has strong flavor and may cause mayonnaise to separate. And mix the oil in the mayonnaise. You can see it is beginning to get lighter. It was more yellow in the beginning, now it's becoming a more creamy color. We can make mayonnaise with whole egg. That takes a bit longer, and when done, that could be more on a pale side and takes more oil, and we end up with more mayo. So yes, this takes a bit more time and patience, but if you don't have a food processor, that you can use this is your best way to make your own mayonnaise at home, knowing exactly what is in it. Add the oil very slowly till the required thickness. When oil starts to separate, your mayonnaise is ready. And don't add more oil. If you feel the oil is on the surface of mayonnaise, then add a very little amount of water. As you can see, it is beginning to thicken up. When using just the egg yolk, I tend to use just half a cup of oil because you want to mix this and watch the thickness. Once it is at the thickness that you are going for, it is ready and you are done. And in about 10 minutes of whisking away, our mayo is ready. I have the thickness that I am going for and it is just perfect. Just take a look at it. You can go thicker by adding more oil and whisking, that's what you prefer. I am going to get it out of the bowl. Seasoning depends on you. You can add garlic or paprika as well. If it starts to separate, you can stir it before serving. And we can make many sauces from this base mayonnaise. And we have our mayonnaise done. How nice, thick, creamy and fluffy this is. You can store in the refrigerator for up to a month in an airtight container. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Have a great day everyone. Until next time, eat smart, move more, sleep right and breathe deep. Thank you.